Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on Gold Monthly, I still think this is a 1, an ABC of 2, a big wave 3, and this still looks to me like an ABC of wave 4. I think we're going up right now, probably for a wave 5, and I think this wave 5 needs to go up at least to the 61.8, and looking at the weekly time frame, it may even go actually a lot further than that. So let's head down to the weekly. So on the weekly, you kind of got to squish this down a little bit to really understand what we have here, because I believe this is a wave 1. I believe this is a wave 2. I believe we're in a wave 3. A wave 3 needs to be a lot bigger than a wave 1, so I took my Fibonacci extension, measured wave 1, projected it out the bottom of wave 2. That means a wave 3 needs to go quite a ways beyond the 100% level of wave 1. That means that this is most likely just going to end up continuing up, probably eventually, looking something like that to finish off at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think it's more likely to stop all the way up at one of these three Fibonacci extension levels. So, keeping that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see the uptrend right here, probably a 1. This is an ABC of 2. We have a nice impulsive uptrend right here, probably a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3. Now, right here, we did break structure to the downside, but you can see price never closed below structure. That tells me that the buyers are definitely still in control of this, and I think that this is more likely to just keep on trending up, especially based on the longer time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely had this market ranging for a very long time. It's kind of hard to really make a whole lot of sense out of it, but it kind of looks like impulsive down like a wave A. This is very corrective, very overlapping. It looks like an A, B, C, D, E. Maybe an A, B, C, D, E, or B. And then maybe this little push down right here is the wave C, because we do have an impulsive move up and we do have a break of structure. And based on the longer time frames, I still think this is more likely to continue the uptrend. So I think that this is going to just keep on going up like that, making higher highs and higher lows, probably all part of a wave 3. Now, we do have federal funds rate news coming out today, and that should cause a pretty good move on this. So, we have about 8 hours until the news comes out. So, if this is in like a pullback at the news, then I would say that the news is very, very likely to cause the end of a correction and most likely the continuation of the uptrend. Now, I understand that a lot of people are thinking this is going to go down, but looking at Elliott wave patterns on the longer time frames, they are all telling me that the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I really think that we just need to continue to look for longs in an uptrend. Like I said, we have a big news event today, so it might give us a really good long opportunity for the continuation of this big trend on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.